Good morning, everyone. Hey, shut up. I'm trying to make a video. Check that out. That is just absolutely gorgeous this time of year. All that green coming out. I would say all of the bright green that you see in this video right now. If you look out across the mountains there, that's all Pennsylvania black cherry. Then a little bit of the red is the red maple starting to come. And the oaks, they're just barely starting to bud now. But wow, pretty, huh? Yeah, the cherries are really, they're full on. You can look at this big guy here. So, but all that out across there that's green is either Pennsylvania cherry, and then some of it is, you know, the maples will turn red. They go red and then they go green pretty quick. So anyways, welcome back to Appalachian Farmstead. So in the last video, we were racing to get the rabbit hutch done. So as of right now, I milled, which I will definitely put in the video, I milled all these shingles for this roof. So I don't know if I have enough. There's like about 65 there. So, but right now I'm putting the bat. I also did the battens. I already have them. So I just got the brad nailer up here, and we're going to do that. And then we're going to get on the roof and attempt to do this. So let's get to work. Sure, the rabbits are loving that, right? Four at a time. Woo! That's freaking sweet. Let me just pull this out. Don't smash your fingers. 7, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go. 4 more. Oh, that was a little bit great. What's going on there? What's that? Huh. Alright guys, I got that on. I have no idea why my those 18 gauge brads are not. Whoa! Alright, so that's not cool at all. That's a little, well, jeez. Is that better? Not much. Okay, so all I know is you're supposed to have, we're going to do it this way, 1 inch overhang, right? That's what this old house told me. And a 1/2 inch on the side. Alright, so right there, right there, 1 inch. Yeah, pretty dang close. And then about 6, 7 inches up. Okay, next. Let's see here. Let's just make sure that we're 1 inch. And we're not. Right there. Okay. And then we need like a 1/2 one, right? I'm pretty sure this is how you do this. I knew this first row is doubled, right? Is that what you guys know? Yeah, first row is doubled. And yeah. And then I think this is how you do it. All right, so now, oops. Go to that end. I think that's how we do it. All right, there so far is what I got done. And I will tell you that that was 68 shingles. So and I still need 15 per row, and I still need 5 more rows. So I shut the camera off because I had a clue what I was doing. I literally watched a 4.5-minute video from this old house, like 3 or 4 years old. So that was my instructions on how to do this. So yeah, for sure, it's not as easy as it looks, but once you get it laid out, it goes pretty quickly. So, and I'm gonna let this marinate for a week or two, and then I'm gonna waterproof them. So, anyways, I don't have any more shingles. I gotta go mill more shingles. So that means I gotta mill another tree, blah blah blah, and I don't even know that they'll be the same size. So it would be nice, if I had like, a 4-inch cant and a 6-inch cant and an 8-inch cant, and you could space them all out. The guy had to cut some, but all right, I'm gonna go unload all this stuff. I got rain on the way, but then I think I'm coming back up here as soon as I give my bionic knee a rest and try to build a bucking table. So I'm not doing firewood until I get a bucking table built, and I have some stuff up here I can build out of it. So all right, catch you in a few.